Nation, you are watching Gadget. So in this episode we have the OnePlus 60 with the 9.0.7 update, and it has the same Android 9 but with the November update as well. So there's not much change in that. Let's see what all are the changes. So there have been a ton of changes, fixes and stuff like that. So the first one, let's see what it is. So the first one is the Bluetooth change. So they have adjusted the Bluetooth connectivity, so I think it has become pretty fast. So as soon as I test it, so as you can see, I'm switching it on, and in a few seconds itself it is connected to my Bluetooth headset. So it's not a like OnePlus headsets, but still it's connected fast, pretty quick. So the next update is about the Wi-Fi. They have improved the Wi-Fi connectivity as well, and let's see what are the next changes as well. So if you go into settings and you see the battery, so they have improved the battery standby optimization, and as you can see, this is not the correct one. After that I have tested it, and for the whole night it took around 1 or 2%, which is really good. So if you go into the advanced optimization, you can see you can turn it on, but beware that it can kill apps in the background. So let's see what the other fixes was. There was a issue with the lock screen. There was a flickering issue with the lock screen, which they have fixed. Now the fingerprint sensor has become pretty quick. So as you can see, the fingerprint sensor has become really fast. The fingerprint sensor has become really fast and it responds really quickly, much better than the previous update. There have been a few updates in the camera as well. As you can see, they have told that there are updates in the slow motion. So if I take slow motion, okay, there is some kind of issue with my camera, because I think it might be because the light conditions are pretty low, but still I cannot see the screen at all. I'm not able to see the screen at all. If I only increase the brightness, I even tried to close the app and again open it, thought it was some kind of bug, but I don't think so. So I think it's a feature. If you know what this is and why it is caused, please tell in the comments below. And also if you think it's a bug, please tell it in the comments section below. So as you can see, if I turn on the flashlight, then I am able to see the screen a little bit, but without the flashlight it's really hard to see the screen. The next one is, if you go into settings, you have the audio tuner. So inside the sounds you get the audio tuner. The audio tuner is finally here, so you can have the audio tuner for OnePlus C Bullet headphones as well as the OnePlus Bluetooth headphones. So I have connected to another Bluetooth headphone and still I can get this audio tuner. So audio tuner is available for all the headphones, specifically for some of the headphones which they have listed. Along with that, you will get it for all the other headphones as well, so you don't have to worry about that. So it is a pretty neat feature. You can change the frequencies, and also there are other custom frequencies as well, presets as well, which you can choose, and it gives a pretty good treble, I should say. So now let's talk about the issues. The first one is the ghosting notification, where you get old notifications which are still coming on the lock screen. So that is still there. Then the scrolling of the screen is not so fluid, and also some of the users are complaining that they are getting full ringtone while in silent mode. So some of the other users have mentioned that it is because of the favorites ones. One more issue which I found was the notifications in the ambient display being turned on when I took the update. So I had turned it off because in order to save battery, so they have turned it on. So if you want to turn it off, go to settings and you can turn it off from the settings manually. Now the other issue which I wanted them to fix was the when you read the fingerprint, the whole screen getting brightened up. So as you can see here, the whole screen get brightened up in the ambient display screen, and at night it is a big issue. So I hope that you like this video. If you have, please leave a like and also share this video with your friends and subscribe to Gadget for more such videos. So until next time, bye bye. For more such videos, subscribe to Gadget, press the subscribe button and then press the bell icon to get all our notifications.